Decodable text is very useful for practicing phonics skills in a connected context. It builds accuracy and fluency. It's also pretty hard to write. But do you know what is pretty good at writing decodable texts? AI. So today I'm going to show you how to use SchoolAI to write some decodable text. Sign into SchoolAI at app.schoolai.com using your school Google account. You will notice at this time that SchoolAI is transitioning to a new look for their platform. This is the old look, which is where you're going to land with the 3 different categories up here. The new look is Dot, and Dot is over here. We are going to use Dot today. So once you know the phonetic area that you're going to be working on, you can start your conversation. With Dot, we are going to ask Dot a question like this. I need to write some decodable text. Can you help me write a story that uses CCVC words with L blends? And then I would like Dot to customize my story just a little bit, so I'm going to add one more request, and I would like 2 dogs named Plug and Plum to be in my story. So let's see what Dot tells me. Dot is asking me some questions about my particular story. Do I want specific blends? Maybe I do. Do I want a reading level? I'm just going to say this is for emerging readers. 5 to 6 sentences or shorter. Okay. All right. Dot wrote me a nice short little story about Plug and Plum. Maybe I will decide that this isn't long enough, but it tells me what the decodable breakdown is. Let's say I like it just like it is. So I'm going to ask Dot to do a couple more things. I'm going to use a power up to ask Dot to make it a document, and I'm also going to ask Dot to add an illustration. So click on power ups, document generator, and write your request. So I waited about maybe 30 to 40 seconds for that to fully develop. As you can see, Dot has given me 3 different documents here, but the final one has an illustration and then my story. I can open it in the editor with markup if I want to change some things about it before I export it. And then export is super useful because look what you can do. And we'll make a couple of quick changes like fixing the size of the image. There we go. So the story's at the top. All right, there you have it. SchoolAI makes decodable text. Some other examples that I made earlier in testing this, you will notice, are very similar. I asked it to do different things phonetically, but for the most part, pretty well done. If we go back to start a new chat with Dot, here's the new chat button. And then always the history of everything that you've done is over here so you can go back to it. Have a great day and remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.